Word making. Make new words with A, B, C, D. Now student, first word we learn, we make first word. B-A, ba, B-A, ba, ba, ba. B-A, ba, B-A, ba, ba, ba. Now we write here with myself and you also with yourself. Put the pencil here and go straight. Capital B right on upper three line. Start here. Semicircle one this and second this. This is capital B. For small a, use middle two lines. Point here pencil, go straight. Put the pencil in the middle and make circle. B A bar. The next, put the pencil here and go straight and put the pencil in the middle and make circle B small b. And now again put the pencil here, straight line and in the middle make circle B A ba, B A ba, ba, ba. The next word is, this is capital C, A and B. Now we make the word with it. K, A, B, cab. K, A, B, cab. Now we write here capital C. Capital C right on upper three lines. This is capital C. Now the next letter A, small a. Point here pencil. We use middle two lines for small a. Put the pencil here and go down and in the mid and make the circle. This is K, A and small b. Put the pencil here, go down and put the mid in the middle and make the circle. B. K, A, B, cab. K, A, B, cab. Okay. The next word, this is D, capital A, small a and D, small d. Now we read this word with phonics. D, A, D. Dad. D, A, D, dad. Now we write here, put the pencil from capital D, we use upper three lines. Put the pencil from first line and go down. Straight, straight, straight. And put the pencil here and make semicircle and join with it. This is capital D. Now put the pencil here, small d, we use middle two lines, go straight and make circle with it. This is small d, small a. Now we use upper three lines for small d, straight line, put the pencil in the middle and make the circle. And now we read this word with phonics, d, a, d, dad. Okay, the next word is, this is capital B, E, small e and small d. Now we write here and read this word with phonics. Okay. For capital B, we use upper three lines. Start from first line, put the pencil here and go down straight. And start from here, one semicircle this side and second semicircle in the end. This is capital B. Now small e, we use middle two lines. Point here pencil and make semicircle and use slipping line for small e. Now again we use upper three lines for small d. Put the pencil on first line, go down and put the pencil in the middle side and make circle with it. This is D. B. Now we read this word with phonics. B, A, D. Bed. B, A, D. Bed. Okay. Now, my dear student, I also write with myself on the notebook and you also with yourself. Now start here. ba. First write here B capital, straight line, make semicircle one and second semicircle, and small a, use two lines, middle two lines and make circle, and from B, small b, use upper three lines and put the pencil in the middle and make circle in two lines. Again straight line and put the pencil in the middle. B a ba, B a ba, ba ba, B a ba, B a ba, ba ba. Now this side make a semicircle on upper three line. This is C. And now for small letter A, use middle two lines and make circle. This is A. For small b, we use upper three lines and put the pencil in the middle and make circle. This is B. Okay, now we read this word with phonics. K-a-b, cab. K-a-b, cab. Okay, now this word d-a-d, dad. What is the word? D-a-d, dad. Now start here. This is capital D and we use upper three lines for capital D. Straight line, then semicircle and join with it. Capital D. Again small a, we use middle two lines for small a. Join the circle with this small a. And capital D, small d, we use upper three lines for small d. It is also upper three lines. Okay ji. Now what is the word? D-a-d, dad. D-a-d, dad. Now we also read this word with phonics. B-a-d, bed. What is the word? B-a-d, bird, bed. Now we write here. Put the pencil, capital B, use upper three lines, straight line and make semicircle one and then. Okay, now for E, we use middle two lines. Now make semicircle and then slipping line. This is small e. For small d, we use upper three lines and put the pencil in the middle and make circle. Now we read this word b-a-d, bed. Okay, once again we read this word with phonics. B-a-b-a, ba ba. B-a-b-a, ba ba. The next word k-a-b, cab. The next word d-a-d, dad. The last word b-a-d, bed. B-a-d, bed. Okay. The next letter is capital F and small f. Capital F and small f. Now we write here how to write capital F and small f. Capital F and small f, we use upper three lines. Okay, this is starting point. Point here pencil, go down straight, make two slipping lines, 1 and 2. This is capital F. Now make hook, upside and straight line and slipping line. This is small f. Again, this is starting point. Use upper three lines, straight line and slipping line. Again slipping line, two slipping line. Now make hook, upside and straight line and then again slipping line. This is capital F and small f. F sound is fish. What is this? Fish. Okay, my dear student. Now we have to learn A, capital A, small a, capital F and small f. Now we write together all the letters. Write letters A to F. Okay ji. Now for capital A, use slanting line. One this side and one this side. And use slipping line between. This is capital A. Now make straight line and put the pencil in the middle and make the circle. The small a write in middle two lines. Okay ji, now we are going to write capital B. Straight line, upper three line use and one semicircle here and other semicircle here. This is capital B. And this is small b. It is also on upper three lines. Now put the pencil in the middle and make circle. This is small b. Now this is capital C. Capital C also on middle, upper three lines and small c in middle two lines. This is capital C and this is small c. Now write here capital D. It is also capital and small d. We use upper three lines. First capital D, straight line and use semicircle and join with it. This is capital D. Straight line and put the pencil in the middle and make circle. This is small d. Now we write capital E. Straight line, capital E, upper three line use and use three lines slipping line. 1, 2, then 3. Okay. And small e makes semicircle and use in middle slipping line. This is small e. Now capital F and small f. Straight line, we use two slipping lines, 1 and 2. And for capital, for small letter F, we use hook and straight line and slipping line. This is capital F and this is small f. This is capital A and small a. This is capital B and small b. This is capital C and small c. This is capital D and small d. This is capital E and small e. This is capital F and small f. Now we learn the sounds. A sound A, B sound B, C sound K, D sound D, E sound A. A and E have same sound. F sound F. The next letter is G. What is this? G. And how to write capital G and small g. Now I am going to tell you. This is starting point. Make semicircle like this and make 7. This is capital G. And now small g, make straight line and make umbrella shape and put the pencil in the middle and make circle. This is small g. Now again make small capital H, capital G, and make 7. This is capital G. And now small g, go straight and make umbrella shape. Put the pencil here and join with the circle. This is small g. Capital G, small g. Capital G, small g. Now read with myself. Capital G, small g. G sound G. G sound G. Oh, which picture is this? Which animal is this? Now I am telling you. Oh, this is goat. G, goat. What is the sound of G? G. G, goat. Okay. The next letter is H. What is this? H. What is this? H. Now repeat after me. Capital H, small h. Capital H, small h. Now my dear student, how to write capital H and small h. Now put the pencil, this is small capital H and small h, also write on upper three lines. This is starting point, straight line, use upper three lines, and in front of other line we write, put the pencil here, straight line, and use slipping line. This is H, capital H. Now we are going to write small h. Put the pencil, this is starting point, put the pencil here and put the pencil in the middle. Now make hook. This is small h. Now once again we write, put the pencil here, go straight down, and in the front of here you put the pencil here and go straight and use slipping line. This is capital H. Now put the pencil here and go straight and put the pencil in the middle and use hook. This is small h. Capital H, small h. What is the sound of H? What is the sound of H? Oh, which picture is this? Which animal is this? Oh, this is a horse. Huh? Horse. Huh? Horse. What is this? Repeat after me. Huh? Horse. Okay, my dear student, I like this. Okay, ji. Now this is I. Capital I, small I. Capital I, small I. Okay, ji. Capital I, we also use upper three lines for capital I. Point here pencil, this is starting point. Straight line go and use slipping line little downside and upside. This is capital I. And for small I, we use middle line, straight line and dot up. This is small I. Capital I, small I. Okay, once again we write straight line and use slipping line little and upside also little, and small I we use up middle two lines, straight line and dot up. Okay, what is the sound of I? E. What is the sound of I? E. Repeat after me. I sound is E. I sound is E. Capital I, small I, and I sound is E. Oh, which picture is this? This is igloo. What is this? Igloo. What is this? Igloo. This is which letter is this? Okay, this is J. What is this? J. What is this? J. Repeat after me. Capital J, small j. Repeat after me. Capital J, small j. Now we start to write how to make the capital J. We also, for capital J, we use upper three lines for capital J. Straight line and make umbrella shape and use slipping line upside. This is capital J. And small j, we use lower three lines. This is starting point. You straight line and make umbrella shape and one dot. This is capital J, small j. Now again write straight line and make umbrella shape and slipping line use. This is capital J. And we use lower three lines for small j, straight line and put the dot over there. Okay ji, capital J, small j. What is the sound of J? Okay ji, I am telling you. J. What is the sound of J? J. What is the sound of J? J. Which picture is this? Okay, this is a jug. J, jug. What is this? J, jug. Repeat after me. J, jug. What is this? J, jug. Okay, my dear student. Now we write A to J. Write letters A to J. Okay, now we start here A to J, and also you with yourself you write. Okay, follow me and write with me. Point here pencil, use slanting line and slipping line. This is capital A, and small a we use small middle two lines, straight line, and put the pencil in the middle and make circle. Okay, now we make capital B, straight line. We use upper three lines for capital B, semicircle, then other semicircle. This is capital B, and we again use small b for capital B, small b for small b, capital B, small b. Now we use upper three lines for capital C, and now we use small c for middle two lines, small c. The next letter D. This is starting point. We use upper three lines again, capital D, and use semicircle and join with it. Capital D and small d. Put the pencil here, go straight and put the pencil in the middle. Capital D, small d. पक्की बात है. The next letter is E. We use upper three lines for capital E. This is starting point. Go straight and use slipping lines. 1, 2, 3. This is capital E. For small e, we use middle two lines. We make the semicircle and use slipping line. This is small e. Now we write here capital F, and we use upper three lines for capital F and small f. This is starting point. Go straight and use slipping line. This is capital F. Now for small f, use hook and go straight and use slipping line. This is small f. Now we write here, start here. This is starting point for capital G. We use upper three lines. We use semicircle and go this, and now we make 7. This is capital G. And now we use lower three lines for small g. This is starting point. Go down and make umbrella shape and put the pencil in the middle and make circle. This is capital G and small g. Now we are going to write capital H and small h. Now we write here, we use upper three lines for capital H and small h. First, this is starting point, straight line, and put the pencil here again and go straight line 1 again and use slipping line. This is capital H. Now we write here straight line and put the pencil in the middle and make hook. This is capital H, small h. Now for next letter I, we use upper three lines for capital I. Straight line and use little slipping line downside then upside. This is capital I. Now small I, we use middle two lines, straight line and one dot up. This is capital I, small I. And we use capital J and small j. Now this is starting point. We use upper three lines for capital J, go straight and make umbrella shape and make slipping line upside. This is capital J. Now we use small j. This is starting point, and we use, this is starting point. Okay, now this is starting point. We use straight line and go umbrella shape and one dot here. This is capital J and small j. Now one time again we revise the sound. A sound A, B sound B, C sound K, D sound D, E sound E, F sound F, G sound G, H sound I sound E, J sound J. Okay. Now we match the pictures with given letters. These are letters and you join the picture according these letters. Now students take the scale and recognize the sound first letter. Now what is this? This is capital H and small h. This is capital H and small h. Now what is the sound of H? What is the sound of H? Now we match the picture. This is giraffe. What is the starting sound? It is giraffe. Match with it giraffe. It is giraffe. No, the sound is different. Now the next picture is hand. What is the sound? What is this picture? Hand. And what is the sound of H? And now I am going to match this hand. Now we are going to match the picture hand. Now put the scale on the edge and join with hand. Hand. What is this? Which letter is this? Capital J and small j. And what is the sound of J? J. What is the which is the picture is this? Oh, this is jelly. Jelly. Now we match with it. Jelly. Jelly. Oh, this is I. Capital I, small I. And what is this? This is insect. What is this? Insect. Insect. Okay, now we join with it. Okay, the next letter is G. And where is this picture is matched with I. This is J and this is H. Oh, one picture is this. Which picture is this? Giraffe. Giraffe. What is this? Giraffe. Okay. Now we again write this letter capital A and small a. Use slanting line this and one this side and use upper three lines for capital A and slipping line B. This is capital A. Use middle two lines for small a. Capital A, small a. Now we write capital B and small b. This is capital B. Straight line. Use upper three lines for capital B. One semicircle this side and again one circle. This is capital B. And again write straight line. This is starting point. Go down and put the pencil in the middle and make circle. This is capital B, small b. And now this is capital C and small c. Capital C and small c. Capital C and small c. The next letter is D. We use upper three lines for capital D. This is next letter capital D. We use upper three lines for capital D. Put the pencil here and go straight down and make semicircle with it. This is capital D. Okay. This is small d. We also use upper three lines for small d. This is straight line. This is starting point and go straight and put the pencil in the middle and make circle. This is small d. We use upper three lines for capital E. Point here pencil, go straight and use slipping line 1, 2, then 3. Okay, now how to make E? This is starting point. You make slipping line and make semicircle. This is small e. This is capital F and small f. We use upper three lines for capital F and small f. Straight line. This is starting point. Straight line and use slipping line 2 times. Okay, again make hook and straight line and slipping line. This is small f. Now this is capital G, small g. What is this? Capital G, small g. Now we write capital G. Capital G we use upper three lines. Make semicircle like this and make 7 like this. This is capital G. Now small g. For small g we use lower three lines. This is starting point. Go straight and make umbrella shape. Put the pencil in the middle and make circle with it. This is small g. Now H. Capital H, small h. Now write here. For capital H and small h we use upper three lines. Straight line and other straight line and use slipping line. This is capital H. This is small h. Straight line and make hook. This is small h. Capital H, small h. Now capital I and small I. This is starting point. We use upper three lines for capital I. Straight line go and slipping line go, slipping line, and we use middle two lines for small I and one dot. We use upper three lines for capital J. Capital J, small j. This is starting point. Go straight and make umbrella shape and use slipping line. This is capital J. This is small I. Put the pencil here. Go down and umbrella shape and one dot. This is small j. Now my dear student, we write A to J here and you also with yourself write. Okay, point here pencil and use slanting line, this one and this, and use slipping line. This is capital A. We use upper three lines for capital A. We use middle two lines for capital small a. Straight line and put the pencil in the middle and make the circle. This is capital A and small a. Now we use upper three lines for capital B and small b. This is starting point. Go down straight, one semicircle and other semicircle. This is capital B. Put the pencil over here and go straight down and make circle. This is capital B and small b. Now again here small c, capital C. We use upper three lines for capital C. We use middle two lines for small c. Capital C, small c. Now we use upper three lines for capital A and capital D and small d. This is starting point. Go down and make circle. This is starting point and make circle. Capital D, small d. Now this is starting point. We use upper three lines for capital E. Straight line, make one slipping line, two slipping line and three slipping line. This is capital E. Now we use, this is starting point, we use slipping line and make semicircle. This is capital E and small e. Now we make capital F and small f. Make straight, we use upper three lines for capital F and small f. This is straight line. This is for starting point and go straight. Make two slipping line, 1 2. Okay, now make hook and straight and use slipping line. This is capital F and small f. Capital G and small g. Now we use upper three lines for capital G. Make semicircle and sam. This is capital G. Now this is starting point. We use lower three lines for small g. Straight line and make umbrella shape. Put the pencil here and capital G, small g. This is starting point and go down. This is capital H, small h. We use upper three lines for capital J, H and small h. Now straight line and other straight line and use slipping line. This is capital H. Now this is starting point and go straight line and make hook from middle. This is small h. Now we use capital I, three lines for capital I, straight line and use slipping line little here, This is capital I and we use middle two lines for small I and one dot.